So I recently switched to Linux because I'm tired of using Windows. I've been using Windows for like very long time. My first Windows PC was around 2004. It was an IBM computer which I bought for second hand. So I thought I wanted to learn programming and all. I am a software engineer. I'm a full-time software engineer, but my job is to just manage AWS infrastructure for clients. So I wanted to use Linux. So I installed Linux and it's not so good. My experience has been very bad. The drivers get a lot of issues. They don't connect sometimes. Sometimes the operating system just doesn't understand what drivers I have. I have two different graphics card. One is NVIDIA MX 110 and there is also an Intel UHD graphics card. So the issue is I tried to install my Windows back again, but I took an ISO from one of the distributors and it was Windows 10 Lite. So I was curious to try it. But when I installed it, it wiped my hard drive. Now I have nothing in my hard drive. Everything I had, like a lot of data in my hard drive since 14 years, has been wiped and now it's empty. Let me just now you can see my entire 1 terabyte hard drive is wiped and there is nothing in here. I am super sad right now. I regret my decisions on switching to Linux. I somehow installed that small Windows 10 Lite operating system. It's called Windows 10 Lite and it's really fast and good, but I lost my entire data. I don't even have a backup and I'm confused right now. So I'll start learning programming on Windows. I'll use Windows subsystem for Linux. But let's see if this is a sign from God telling me like start from scratch. I don't know, you tell me where should I start.